Okay, lesson 3.3 is multiplying with area models, and this is really good for visual people. We did this in chapter 2 as well, but now we're doing 2-digit times 2-digit. So our first example is 37 times 29, and I'm first going to make my area model, and then I will break apart each of my factors. So 37 is 30 and 7, and then I have 20 and 9. For those that are visual, you can circle the basic fact so we don't make a zero mistake. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then I have 2 zeros between the two factors. Then I'm going to do 30 times 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. Then I have a 0. Then I have 7 times 20. And 7 times 2 is 14. But then I have a 0. And 7 times 9 is 63. From there, you're going to add all of them up. I like to combine a couple so that I don't have as much room for error. So I'm going to combine my 600 and the 270 to 870, 140, and 63. Go ahead and add all of those up. I always like to try to make a 10 if I can. 8, 9, and 10. So my final product is 1073. Here's your next example. 65 times 18. Make your area model for a 2-digit times 2-digit. Break apart 65 into 60 and 5, 10, and 8. Then go ahead and multiply. I know 6 times 1 is 6, and I have 2 zeros. 60 times 8 will be 480. 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 8 is 40. Add all those up again. I can put some together, so I might put my 650 and the 40 together to get 690, and then add the 480. And then you get your final product there. Here's another example. Make your area model. I have 20 and 4, 50 and 8. Sometimes when kids see this, they don't keep their distribution together. Please make sure that they're keeping the 20 and the 4 on one side and the 50 and the 8 on top. Then you can go ahead and start multiplying. Now this one, be careful because the kids could make a zero mistake. 2 times 5 is 10, and then I have 2 more zeros. 20 times 8. I know 2 times 8 is 16, and I can place another 0. Same thing with this next one. Don't make a zero mistake. I know 4 times 5 is 20, and then I have another 0. And then 4 times 8 is 32. Place some of these together. Again, I can try to group 3 if I want to. So I have 1,360. Oops. And then the 32. And then just make sure you're putting your comma in, and you have your final product. That's the end of the examples. Hopefully this helped you out with multiplying a 2-digit times 2-digit with an area model.